So friends, we are here again with new topic loading data from an Excel file into Power BI. In last video, I have shown you the Excel file, the name Amazon Box Store, which is telling about rating, reviews, price with year, and it is fiction, non-fiction, various kind of things it is telling. It's telling about author, it's telling about name, and it has almost 600 rows. We will see here, you can see it contains almost 600 rows. Including header, it has 601. It means it has a data entry of 600 users. So if we'll go to the workbook, if we will go to the Excel workbook now. Let's navigate over the location where Amazon dataset is located, and keep in mind the dataset is a part of course material. So you can download it from the link in the description box. So if we will go here, we will head over here, we can see it is supporting different type of format of the Excel. .excel, all on format, .xls, xlw, xlm, xlx. So we have option to select worksheet which you want to load it into Power BI. So wait a second. So you have option how much sheet you want to connect with Power BI. You want to load it into Power BI. There is just a single sheet here. We can took by simply click here. We can see that there is a single sheet. If there are multiple sheet, you can load whatever you want. Here we can take a look on 7 columns of the Excel sheet which we have seen a few seconds before. So we can see there are 7 columns. We can see that data has been truncated in such a way so that we can have preview of the data. So we have 3 loading option: load data, transform data, and cancel. With the load option, with this button, data will be loaded with all of the default setting. If you don't want any kind of changes in the data set you have, then you can go with this button, load button. Transform button, this one, transform data. If we want to do some changes before data loaded, we can go to the transform button. If we click here, Power Query Editor will pop up. If you have used Microsoft Excel before, if you have used Microsoft Excel before, you can understand it is possible you have done analysis in Excel with same Power Query in Power BI. It's same thing which you have worked with Microsoft Office, and it to manipulate, and here is it possible to manage and manipulate the save data in Power BI. So any number of changes we can have, any number of changes here, and in query setting we can see the changes are visible. What changes we are doing? First we have identify a source, then navigated and promoted it. It's done automatically. Your first rows have been automatically converted to the header. So these are applied steps what you have done till now. These are important step here: source, navigation, promoted here, and change type. These promoted headers and change type is automatically promoted automatically applied. You have not done this. Line 1 is header by default. You can cancel by changed type. This is, we can see what we can change. This is automatically here. If you will do any kind of change, you will see this is here. See, now what is the data set is showing us? This is ABC, this is ABC. So this ABC, what it is showing? It is showing for string things. If the data is in string format, then it is showing ABC. 1.2, what is 1.2 is showing? It is showing decimal data in that particular column. And for price, year and review, we are having 1, 2, 3. This is showing whole number. The number in the column is whole. And ABC again is showing for strings. So it is automatically done. If you think it's not working, you can go to the change type. Once you are confirmed with data look like, so you can go to the left side and we can click here on the left. If you think this is okay, then you will go to the close and apply button and this will be saved same as it is. So 600 rows, you will see here 600 rows are showing in your data set. Once you do that, data is loaded into your Power BI desktop. This sheet 1, this is loaded here. Keep in mind that the storage mode for this file was import mode. We have used import mode. Direct query is not possible in Excel file. There is a import mode is used in the Excel file. So it means data you loaded is automatically cached. Now you are on the reports menu. Now you are on the report menu of Power BI. So you can see on the right side in the file here are showing sheet 1 file menu. So what we can do here, we can go to the more option. We can rename it. I want to rename this as a Amazon box. So I am renaming this like this. So we can see there are 7 different fields, which are 7 columns, which can be accessed here. There is a summation informing that there is a numeric value, so these data can be aggregated here. If we will go to the report view, this is the report view of the Power BI, which we are showing now. Amazon Bookstore saved here like this. If we go to the data view, we will find here row data is available here in the same rows. How much rows was there? See, total 600 rows you can see. So if we will go to the model view, there is not a model, there is a only single file, but we will explore this in more detail later on this path, in this learning path. I hope you understood how to manipulate the Excel file in Power Query Editor and how to load the file directly or in Power Query Editor. I hope you learned the things which I want to make you learn in this video, through this video, and you understood. So friends, I will provide the link in the description box for your practice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, friends.